there's a number of recommendations that we would share with companies that are looking to either start or accelerate their sustainability journey. The first of these is to commit to the future and consider both the short and the long term. So there are going to be short-term projects, incremental improvements, efficiencies and optimizations that can take place now. There are going to be also some transformational changes that are going to be required that may not pay dividends until the longer term, but the infrastructure needs to be put in place now to ensure that you're successful for the future. Second of these is have a data-led approach. You can't improve what you can't measure. You need to start collecting the data around what your current performance is to be able to benchmark whether actual investments and projects are actually creating a change. We'd also suggest a holistic and coordinated approach. Now, there are a lot of companies with good intentions, they've got numbers of siloed projects, but it's really understanding in the whole, what are these overall changes having, what sort of impact? So as part of this, that means coordination across different groups, different business function. Are changes in the design having desired impacts in operations and across the supply chain? Also consider the return on value rather than just the return on investment. There's costs of doing, as we mentioned, improved efficiencies and savings, but there's also going to be costs of not doing. And that can be anything from access to talent to brand recognition, a number of other impacts that may not be considered at the outset. We'd also say you've really got to hold your ecosystem to account. Companies are now being challenged around not just their own emissions, but that of their partners. And we're seeing many companies now only working with companies that have sustainability credentials and plans that match their own. And finally, we'd say it's about communication. People are key in this transformation, so communicate your vision to your staff. That ensures sometimes that you also have a feedback loop, so you're able to benefit from the expertise of people with their feet on the ground, but also externally make sure that your message is clear to your partners, to your customers, and to your stakeholders.